We guide you through how to get Decal ID in Roblox with the updated 2026 method. First, open your browser and go to the Roblox website, not the app, because this only works on the web version. Log into your account, then click Create at the top and select Decal from the Creations section. If you already uploaded an image, find it here. If not, upload your image and wait for it to process. Once the decal appears, click on it to open the decal page. Now, look at the URL in the address bar and you'll see a long number at the end. That number is the decal ID. Simply highlight and copy the number and you're done. You can now paste this decal ID into your games, scripts, or anywhere it's required in Roblox.